Listen up, saints. Pastor Charles Purvis Roberson is turning 50 on September the 26th. But before he does on September the 24th, we're having a House of Blues celebration. It's a denim and white affair with comedian Rod Allison, a live jazz band, and it all starts on Saturday, September the 24th at 6 p.m. You don't want to miss one of the biggest celebrations of the year. Just to show you a snippet of his 40th birthday celebration, where we had special guests Ashford and Simpson, and the one and only Orange Juice Jones. Really, the party was out of this world. Listen closely today and today only, immediately following service in the Impact Center. Tickets will be available for a special price of $40 per person. That's right, just $40 per person in the Impact Center. And then after today, tickets will jump to $55 per person. Cash, check, or debit will be accepted today. Just go to the Impact Center after service and see Sister Awynthia Moore or Tanisha Jones. And don't miss the 50th birthday bash of the century as Pastor Charles Roberson turns 50. You need to be there.